Alright, so I'm not sure exactly how many granny squares I'm gonna need for this, but I'm thinking I'll start the front and then like when I have squares attached together, I'll hold them over my chest and I'll gauge how many more squares I need. So I think I'll go ahead and attach a 3x2 row. So I think I'm gonna do like slip stitches, connecting them together, and then I'm gonna hold them across my chest and just see how many I'm going to need for the bodice part. So that is the plan. Okay, I have attached these squares so far. I've attached these two together and these two. And I'm kind of thinking maybe I'll just do a skirt instead of a dress because a dress is a lot. It might end up being a skirt. So I'm gonna just continue putting granny squares together until they'll like reach around my hip area. And then I'll figure it out from there. Alright, I'm just testing to see if I need to add another square. I think I might need to, I don't know. It's fine up at my waist, but I think for around my hips, I think I need to add another square. And I can always add a row of crocheting and do decreases to make it fit my waist. I think that's what I might do. So I'm gonna add one more square to this for the width, and then I will do a row of probably maybe single crochets just around the top edge to kind of bring it in at my waist, for my waist at the top, after adding another row. It's kind of cute. Alright, let's take a look at this. So it fits around my hips and thighs really good now. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to crochet along the top. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this up with like lacing. Like I think I'll chain a really long tie kind of thing that'll make crisscross through it to close it. And at the top I'm going to crochet along and kind of do decreased stitches. So that I can make it come in to fit up my waist so it's not super loose up here. I think it's gonna be cute though. let's try this out. I am wearing a leotard under the knee, by the way. That way this video isn't too scandalous. I thought about just wearing unders, but I think a leotard is good to have. So I can definitely bring in the waist more. It's kind of cute. Yeah, so I'll tighten up the waist some more up in the next row as I crochet the waistband kind of area. Alright, so I just tested it on and I think I brought it in enough at the top of the waist. So now I'm gonna single crochet around here and try to give like the overall skirt a finished look, as well as adding more length to the bottom, just so that it's not as mini as it is right now. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. It is brought in quite a bit at the waist, and I think it's good enough. So I'm just gonna do some single crochets around the sides, and then I'll do a couple rows at the bottom until I feel like it's a decent length and it's not quite so short. I might do one or two, maybe more rows, I'm not sure. We'll see what ends up looking good. But this is what it looks like so far. Alright, so just in case if you want to recreate this the same way that I did, so when I'm going around the side edge of the like wrap skirt thing that I'm making, for the first little bit I did single crochets, and then as I got towards the middle I increased it to half double crochet stitches, and then near the end I did double crochet stitches so that it kind of fills in that gap a little bit more, because it's closer together at the top of my waist and it's like farther apart at the bottom where my thigh is. So that's what I decided to do on this. Now I'm going to do a row along the whole bottom edge, and I'll probably repeat what I did on this side on the other side after I get across to that side. Alright, so I added a little tie at the top. I think I'm still gonna make it like lace up where this is open, and I think I'm gonna add another row of white at the bottom. Alright, I think I finished it and I like how it looks. This would make like a really cute wrap skirt kind of bathing suit cover up, I think, and or like maybe at a pool or something. Anyways, it's very cute. I like it. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I tie it here on the side, and then I'm thinking we could do something. Okay, I'm kidding. Alright, I'm also thinking it would be cute to kind of lace it up through here and make a little crisscross sort of thing. Okay. I mean, maybe I should have like crocheted like a long chain, but I kind of want to try just like the yarn as it is and see how that looks. Okay, so instead of doing the single like yarn string to close like the slip part, I crocheted or like chained up the remainder of the yarn that was left over from this skein of yarn. And I'm gonna see if this is long enough to work. Okay, let's look at the final skirt. I don't like how it's a little tight right here. It kind of bunches it in, but maybe it'll loosen up. But I wonder if blocking it would help to kind of loosen up the squares a bit, because I haven't blocked them, but it's pretty cute. Alright, so this turned out really cute. It's not like something I would typically make, but it was fun to make something different than what I would normally make. I think I would like it a lot more if it was like in maybe shades of brown, and maybe like fringe on the bottom might be really cute. I don't know. But it's pretty cute. I like it. It was fun to make, and it was actually a pretty quick project. I think this would be great if you like want a little bit of a cover up if you're going to the beach or a pool or something. And I don't know why I'm making this on such a cold, rainy day. It's raining. It's gonna rain all week, and it's really cold, and I'm actually, well, I'm like, my hands and my legs are cold, but like the skirt is actually keeping me, I'm like pretty warm around where the skirt is. But anyways. So, this is what I made this week. It is pretty cute. And it's bright and colorful. Anyways, I think this is gonna be it for this week. I finished a project, and it's pretty cute. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.